Welcome to the Great North Gardener. I'm Albert. Great to have you. Zone 5A grower here. This is a quick how-to for pruning and natural sprays to stop powdery mildew. Casual, practical and organic. Grab a cuppa and let's begin. That chalky white dust. That's powdery mildew, but we can beat it. It coats leaves, blocks sunlight and slows photosynthesis. Left alone, plants weaken and yields drop. The good news, no harsh chemicals needed. A natural approach is kinder to bees, birds, and your soil. First step is always observation. Wander weekly and look closely. Check the tops of leaves, and the undersides, stems, and fresh growth. Usual suspects: squash, roses, phlox, and zinnias. It thrives with warm, dry days and cool, humid nights, plus cramped, still air. Right then, 5 steps to make mildew feel unwelcome. Step 1. Prune for airflow with sharp, clean secateurs. Thin the center, remove crossing and inward growth. Let light and a breeze reach deep. Dew dries quickly. Step 2. Smart spacing and watering. Respect mature spacing so leaves don't constantly touch. Water the soil, not the leaves. Morning is best. Use a rose or a soaker to deliver water right where it's needed. Step 3. Natural sprays, a weekly preventative on prone plants. They leave a thin film the fungus doesn't love. Consistency wins. Set a reminder. Step 4. Tidy as you go. Don't leave infected bits lying around. Skip the compost. Bin disease material. Step 5. Feed the soil. Compost or well-rotted manure each spring. Healthier soil, tougher plants, fewer problems. Now the fun bit. 3 simple proven mixes. Bicarb spray. 1 TSP baking soda per litre, plus a tiny drop of mild soap. Gentle, cheap, brilliant as a first defense. Milk spray, 1.9 milk to water. Apply on a bright morning. Sunlight helps the proteins do their antiseptic magic. Neem, 1-2 TSP per litre plus 1-2 TSP mild soap. Always check the label. Test 1 leaf and wait 24 hours to ensure no burn. Spray tops, undersides and stems on a calm morning. Reapply weekly, and again after heavy rain. In Zone 5A, start checks in late spring and keep them up through autumn. Good airflow, smart watering, healthy soil, and timely natural sprays. That's the routine. Tell us what you think in the comments, and like and subscribe.